Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to master the RSS widget in the TrouDigital Online Studio. When you've opened up your creative or started one from scratch, you need to navigate to the RSS widget icon. You can find the RSS widget on the left hand side of the studio, and it looks like a Wi-Fi symbol that's slightly turned on its side. What you need to do is click and drag it onto the canvas, and then resize it to meet your design specifications. You can do so using the toggles located on the corners of the widget or on the sides, or if you wanted to make it full screen, you can do so by pressing the Fit button at the top of the studio. To keep things clean and simple, I'm just going to resize it and have it centered here. When you first drag in the RSS widget, you'll notice that it's set to the Sky newsfeed. If you wanted to change this, simply find the feed that you want to change it to. For example, I've got the BBC News feed copied to my clipboard. Head over to the Properties tab, navigate to the URL section, select the current URL which is in there, remove it, and paste in the new RSS feed. When you click away from that, you can see that the RSS feed has changed and it's now displaying the BBC News RSS feed. This is the exact same process for any RSS feeds that you want to display. And that's really all there is to it. If you want to edit your RSS feed, you can do so. It's fully customizable, so you can change the speed of it. So if I quickly preview the current RSS feed, we can get a quick view of how it's moving. So it's going from bottom to top at the moment. If we want to change the speed to 20 and double it, we can do so, and we can see that live. How fast it's appearing up the screen. If we want to change the direction, we can do that as well. So if we want to make it go left, we can do so. Sort of similar to the actual news feed that you see on BBC News. And of course, you've got different directions there too. You can change the spacing if you want. All the usual text options for all the widgets are the same. So you can change the font, the sizes, make things bold, and yeah, you can make it look to fit any design that you make. RSS feeds, in our opinion, are best used alongside other creative elements. For example, if you have your normal content that might be welcoming a certain guest to your organisation, having a newsfeed running across the bottom on its own tab can look quite nice, and it can help entertain people who are maybe in waiting rooms or just keeping employees up to date, things like that. And again, that's all there is to it. Any questions, please email us at support@troudigital.com, and thank you very much for watching.